Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change language on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to setting in your itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. In settings, scroll down and go to system. Okay, tap system. And system, okay, you can see the language and input. Okay, tap this. And okay guys, here in language and input, you can see the language. Okay, tap the language. Now here in language preferences, okay, now you can add the language you want to change in your itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. So okay guys, so the language of my itel Alpha Lite mobile phone is English. So change, okay, you'll have to do is add a language. Tap the add a language and select the language you want to change. Okay, for my example, so I change into Tagalog language. Okay, tap the Tagalog language. And okay guys, here you can see the Tagalog language in the language option. And okay guys, to change into Tagalog language, the itel Alpha Lite mobile phone, you'll have to do is press and hold the Tagalog language and slide from top of the language, okay, the number 1. And that's it, okay. We have successfully set the language on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. Okay, here the language. Okay, the language is set into Tagalog, Pilipinas. So okay guys, another example. So I add another language. For example is Espanol. Okay, here the Espanol is available, or you can change into language by press and hold again the language and slide from top of the option. And okay guys, so I decide to change the language into Tagalog, Pilipinas. So okay, press and hold and slide from top of this option. To remove the language, you'll have to do is tap the 3 dot on the upper right side on your screen. And now, tap the eliminar, okay? Or remove in English. And okay guys, so as you can see on the left side of this language, you can see the box, okay? Tap the box or select the language you want to remove or delete. Okay? After you select, for example, I remove the Espanol. So tap the delete icon on the upper right side on your screen to remove the Espanol language and tap the OK on this pop-up. And that's it. We have successfully removed the language on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully changed the language on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.